The 2009 Chevrolet Uplander is a minivan that blends practicality, versatility, and durability, making it a solid choice for families and businesses alike. As one of the last minivans produced by Chevrolet before shifting focus to SUVs, the Uplander offers a unique combination of a spacious interior, a reliable powertrain, and a design that bridges the gap between traditional minivans and crossover SUVs. Whether you're looking for a family hauler, a work vehicle, or a road trip companion, the 2009 Uplander delivers a comfortable and dependable ride. Under the hood, the Chevrolet Uplander 2009 is powered by a 3.9-liter V6 engine, producing around 240 horsepower and 240 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides a smooth and responsive driving experience, allowing the Uplander to handle city traffic and highway cruising with ease. The 4-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless shifting, and while it may not be the most modern setup, it remains reliable for daily driving. The ride quality is comfortable, with a suspension system designed to absorb road imperfections, making long drives enjoyable. Steering is light yet responsive, giving the driver confidence behind the wheel, and the braking system provides adequate stopping power even when the van is fully loaded. The exterior design of the 2009 Uplander is more rugged and SUV-like compared to other minivans of its era. With a higher ride height and a boxy yet aerodynamic shape, the Uplander strikes a balance between utility and style. The front grille features Chevrolet's signature design, with large headlights that enhance visibility. Sliding side doors make it easy for passengers to enter and exit, while the rear liftgate offers convenient access to the cargo area. Some trims come with roof rails, allowing for additional storage options, making this van ideal for road trips or work-related hauling. Inside, the Uplander offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that can seat up to 7 passengers. The interior layout is designed for convenience, with flexible seating arrangements that include removable and foldable second and third row seats. Higher trim levels include premium features like leather upholstery, a rear seat DVD entertainment system, and power-adjustable seats for added comfort. The dashboard layout is simple yet functional, with easy-to-reach controls and a user-friendly infotainment system. Storage compartments are abundant, providing space for small items, while cup holders and charging ports add to passenger convenience. Fuel efficiency is decent for a minivan of its size, with an estimated 16 mpg in the city and 23 mpg on the highway. The V6 engine is tuned to provide a good balance between power and fuel economy, making the Uplander a practical choice for those who need a reliable vehicle without excessive fuel costs.